Trying something new here. I got the camera mounted on my motocross chest protector. I'm trying to be hands-free as I walk along. I'm going to go down here to a spot. Okay. Jar of some sorts. It's been here a while. You can see the way the glass is kind of bluish green. Looking for a date possibly. It says 3/7 something there. I'm going to put that aside. See if there's anything in the bushes up here. Something porcelain. Aha, I see a bottle here. Who knows what that was, but I'll keep it. It's in a glass jar. Looks like probably an old pepper can. It had pepper in it. An old shilling pepper can maybe. Wonder what that was. Probably is an old pitcher. Pitcher handle. God, I hope this video comes out. Probably going to be pretty goddamn shaky. But this is just an experiment I'm doing. Life is nothing but an experiment. We're probably the only living type mortals out of the total cosmos, I'd say. I don't think there's anybody else out there. Where did it start from? I don't know. But they talked about intelligent design. I'd like to come across the intelligent designers, because I'm not happy with what the hell they came up with. Pretty stupid design, man. Pretty stupid design. Pisses me off is the pain part of it. Who in the hell designed something with pain in it? Well, they say, oh, you gotta have pain in order to know what good is. Negative in order to what good is. I say bullshit to that. I think the only reason I lived to be 81 years old is they said, don't let that son of a bitch and gasser die, because he's going to come up here and chew some ass. He's going to come up here and reveal the truth of what it's like to live on this stinking world. And we can't afford to do that. It's almost like there are a bunch of Democrats up there that run the show, because as you notice what's going on, and if there's a guy named Lucifer, I want to kick his goddamn ass too. Look at this pain and suffering that we all go through down here on this planet. Fortunately, I've been able to sidestep a lot of that crap just because I have common sense. Common sense has helped me sidestep a lot of really stupid shit that happens on this planet. I'm talking stupid. Well, them uranium miners lived on nothing but canned goods. They probably shot some deer too around here. And I know there's deer. I see deer turds everywhere. I don't see one bug, period, here. So let's work our way down here and see what the hell's in hell, because uranium that's hell's fuel. It makes plutonium. Plutonium makes bombs, atomic bombs, because that's what they did with this uranium. A lot of this went on to the, I forget what project, Manhattan Project, where they come up with the big bad boy bomb, ones that they used in Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Uranium, the devil's fuel. In nuclear reactors now that are generating electricity, they make plutonium. It's a byproduct. They also make a Krypton 85 gas that they have to release from the reactors periodically. They release that up into the atmosphere, and it plays hell with the atmosphere because it causes an electron, neutron, proton exchange with other elements up there, and who knows what the hell the byproduct is, because everything half-lives, even a frickin' nail as it rusts, it's half-lifing, and the rust commingles with other elements. Comes up with something else. It's called entropy, where hot and cold meet and things deteriorate, and they commingle. The deterioration commingles with something else, so there's not a thing on this planet that's not in some type of circulation, because it's held together with neutron, protons, and electrons. Okay, I'm reading 8 counts per minute on my Geiger counter. I'm trying to walk easy and not jiggle this damn camera around. I'm gonna get me another video camera that has a gimbal in it. It's supposed to rain today. Lightning and thunder this morning. There's a big hoof print. Looks like a big toe print right there. Whatever it is, it's got a long stride. You'll notice my walking stick. It's got a spear point on it, in case I come across some kind of a pissed off animal that says, hey, you're in my territory. At least I can fend myself off, because my walking stick is a shovel handle. Let's go down here and see what's going on down here. Reading 9 on my Geiger counter. See a core sample drill hole right here. Almost looks like an old oil filter. So they probably had a drilling rig right here of some sorts. I'm reading 60 counts per minute right now. Now it's 72, 73, so I'm standing on a tailings pile here probably. You see all them little rocks and everything? 77. Okay, we're getting near the uranium mines. It's getting hot. 81.